When electricity was first introduced, people marveled, not so much at the new kind of lighting, but that they could get it at the touch of a switch. Today we take all kinds of switches for granted. To prevent sparks, or arcing as it's called, switches have to make and break quickly. Big switches are needed for large electrical loads, and they can be heavy to operate. Sometimes electromagnetism is used to operate a switch. The electromagnetic or relay switch has many uses. A low-powered circuit, switching a high-powered one, for example. Here's another type of switch. It uses mercury to make the contact, giving instantaneous control and a fast arc-free break of circuit. Automatic control is one of electricity's great advantages. The electric clock, for example, can be made to work a switch which will turn an appliance on or off at a predetermined time. Some meters are time switch controlled, so that advantage can be taken of a cheaper rate for current used at night. Time switches are also useful for turning ovens on and off automatically. All cooks know the need for different degrees of heat, and again, electricity's automatic control is valuable. This is a thermostatic switch. It uses the fact that many things expand when heated. The mercury in a thermometer, for example, gives an accurate indication of temperature because its expansion is directly linked to the amount of heat applied. The metal rod in this switch moves when heated, and it can be made to operate the switch the moment a given temperature is reached. Here's another use for control based on temperature. The thermostatic device in the middle of this boiling ring measures the temperature of the bottom of the pan and adjusts the current to the heating element according to the setting of a dial. With a dimmer switch, according to the position of the slide, more or less current is used to light the lamp so that it shines less or more brightly. Because some of the current is wasted in heating up the resistor, these controls are mainly confined to low current circuits. Today, electricity is used not only as an energy source in its own right, but in control engineering, an essential for modern industry.